Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to manage app notifications on your Panasonic TN-43W70AEZ TV. So first of all, let's open the settings on our TV by pressing the gear button on your remote control, the gear button, and then go to all settings menu and navigate down to the apps menu here, and then select see all apps to see the list of all available applications on your TV. And now select the application that you want, for example, to revoke access to notification. If you want to revoke its access to notifications, so if you don't want this application to send you notifications, then select this app, navigate down to notifications option, and then switch the toggle to the left next to this option. And this way you will not receive any notifications from this app anymore, and the other way around, basically. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.